No matter what your level of education and experience, you can find a place in the transportation, distribution, and logistics industry. A high school education qualifies applicants for many entry-level jobs in transportation, such as material movers, delivery drivers, highway maintenance workers, office clerks and administrative assistants, customer service reps, and rail transportation workers. Careers that require some training, apprenticeship, significant on-the-job learning, or specific licenses include truck drivers, dispatchers, and mechanics for buses, trucks, and aircraft. Many management and supervision positions in these fields may be available after earning several years of experience in hands-on positions, but some careers, such as engineers, designers, logistics analysts, and supply chain managers, usually require a bachelor's or advanced degree. Another side of the industry is represented by pipeline occupations. These workers are also all about fast, efficient, and safe delivery, but in this case, they're moving crude oil, gas, and slurry. Besides working quickly and accurately, they need to be excellent troubleshooters when things go wrong, and have a high tolerance for getting muddy, wet, and dirty. Most jobs require a high school education. Is a transportation, distribution, or logistics career for you? Keep these points in mind. Many careers in this industry are best for people who like to be on the move themselves, or to be part of moving things around, locally, regionally, or even globally. Hours and schedules can be irregular, and time away from home may be required. Many jobs in the industry involve IT skills, STEM knowledge, critical thinking, and design. Personal qualities such as integrity, reliability, and flexibility are helpful for workers in this industry. Expect to do a lot of communication, record keeping, and observation of government safety regulations on the job.